Ay, by the way guys, medyo mahaba ito. Pag nahabaan kayo guys, please follow our page or you can visit yung Gerald Sensei na YouTube page ko. Manood kayo dito guys kasi konti lang nanonood dito. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Ina-upload ko rin yung mga video sa YouTube page ko. And also dito sa Beyond the Page, kapag nahabaan kayo sa mga video ko, dito kayo manood. Kasi sa Reels lang to, medyo maikli lang yung allotted minute. Hi, nasan mo? Gerald Sensei desu. じゃあ今日もよろしくお願いします。今日のトピックは数字と計算について皆さんに教えていきたいと思います。Okay guys, for today's topic, it's all about numbers and calculation in Japanese. For sure, most of you guys familiar, ang iba dito hindi natatakal during nag-aaral sila ng Japanese. So titingnan natin kung paano ba kayo sa addition, multiplication, division, and minus and other related counting sa Japanese. Okay, wag na natin patagayan. Let's start guys. Addition is tashi-san. Like for example, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 は2. Subtraction is hiki-san. Like for example, 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 hiku 3 は2. Okay, let's have the multiplication. Multiplication is kakeru-san or kake-san. Like for example, 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 kakeru 5は20. Let's have the division. Division is wari-san. Like for example, 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 20 waru 4 wa 5. Is 3.14. Paano ba ito basahin sa Japanese? Ang basa sa point na yan is 10. 3.14 or 3.14. Either way. Fraction. 2 over 3 or 2/3. Mauna muna yung denominator. Ang basa dito sa fraction is bunno. Like for example, 2/3. Let's have sang buno ni. Mag-uumpisa muna sa denominator. 1:1. Ang basa dito sa yung istai. Ichi tai ichi. Like that's a scoring. Even numbers sa Japanese, we call it gusu. Like 2, 4, 6. Odd numbers in Japanese, we call it kisu. Like 1, 3, 5. Sa percentage naman guys, if you want to say 10%, 20%, we call it like 10%. But sometimes we call it ichiwari. Like 20%, you could ni 10% or you could like ni wari. Rounding numbers, pag ira-round up mo yung numbers, ang tawag dyan is shishagunyu. That's all for today, guys. Bye-bye.
Is studying, living, and working in Japan part of your wish list? Wish granted with Beyond the Visa and Educational Consultancy Services. We are a student visa consultancy firm that assists young professionals on how to study in Japan through our work and study program. We provide transparency in our program, having a company owner who has been in Japan on a student visa program for 2 years, studying the Japanese language. Our friendly staff also speaks Japanese and will guide you through the entire application process. Our partner language schools in Japan are accommodating. Free one-on-one orientation over the phone may be provided. We also offer private online tutorial in Japanese language and Japanese flashcards. We execute what we promise and only promise what we can deliver. Be the next Filipino student visa holder in Japan. Messages for more details.